Hello, dear friends, and welcome to Maximed Global. We hope you are doing well wherever you are. Today, we are bringing something very special, a journey to the heart of African village, right here in Rwanda. In this mini-series, you will discover how traditional banana juice and beer are made, the way our ancestors have done it for generations. For some of you, this is somehow a nostalgic memory, but for others, it's a whole new experience. And if you would like to join us one day in this village adventure, just drop a message in the comments. We will be happy to help you and tell you how it's done. Let's begin. It all begins with the bananas. The first step is simple but essential. We gather the bananas. Some pick them fresh from their own gardens, while others buy them from the neighbors. Once the bananas are ready, we look for soft banana leaves and grass. These will help in the traditional ripening process. This is magic, ripening process. And now comes the magic, the inhabo. The inhabo, this is a traditional pit where the bananas are placed and gently heated using smoke. They stay there for 3 to 4 days, slowly ripening under the warm, smoky cover. Fascinating, right? But that's just the beginning. Stick around for part 2.